So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. It really is, I promise. Anyway, and I'll tell you why I say that in just a second. So, if you are new here, please allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. I do have for you in this video the Macy's Beauty Box. If you want to find out what's going on, I don't mean to be so cryptic, but yeah. If you want to see what's going on, what I'm talking about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, now I know I did promise you in the next video there would be a giveaway. And I promise you there will be. I will do a different eye look. Now here's what happened. For the last video, you saw the Trendmood box, right? So I have the Macy's Beauty Box and I wanted to do this one. But I got the phone call from hubby talking about, are you still filming? And I was like, yes, why? And he's like, I'm stuck. His ride bailed on him, so I had to break from filming and go get him. I've been outside in that hot car with no air conditioning for almost 3.5 hours, and now I'm back at my table. So, this is why I look a little crazy. The hair just, this weather. I wanted to show you that I did have yesterday in the Trendmood box as well as tonight, because I figured, well, I have some green eyeshadow going on. I'm going to wear the green little froggies. I have the frogs in. So, oh my gosh, enough jibber jabbing. We do have the Macy's Beauty Box. Do you have my glasses? We are set. If you are new here, again, I will just say that my name is Stephanie. I am the host of the channel. Basically, all that means is we go over stuff. I'm the one that's, you know, turning on the camera and talking to you and holding up products. I always say you may have seen one of the subscriptions unboxed already, but you've not seen me unbox it. Okay, can be quite the trip sometimes. Anyway, we do all things beauty here, and by that I mean all things beauty. Anything I can get my hands on, you know, mind, body, soul, for the inside, the outside, you name it. I have so many ideas. If you are new, you will see, or hopefully you will notice that we just reached 1K. It is a very exciting time. We are about to do a 1K giveaway. I'm just waiting on a few minor details so that I can go ahead with it. And plus, I want to make sure that we don't drop, you know, during that, and then it's not a 1K giveaway anymore. You only do a 1K giveaway once in a lifetime. All right, you know what? There you go. I'm done. I do not want to break any more nails. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. A big thumbs up. Also, please remember to put your bell on, because that's a very important thing, to be notified when I upload, because why? I do a whole bunch of giveaways, and when I announce the winners to those giveaways, I do it somewhere in a video. It may not just be specifically, hey, winners picked. No. Normally, I stick it in a video somewhere, and I will show you the person, and then that person has 48 hours. That's usually the standard to get back to me. Okay, let's begin. If you don't know about Macy's Beauty Box, I will tell you it is $15 a month. With tax, shipping is free. It comes to $15.60. You know, it's one of the last true $15 subscriptions out there. You do get sometimes a bag, which we do have here. That's a pretty cool bag. Okay. Oh, and congratulations to my family members that have now gotten off the list. I was chatting with some people in the comment section in, you know, last month, and they said they finally were getting this month. So waiting for almost a year, I can't even believe it. So congratulations to y'all. When you see this, that means they had to replace an item in the bag. They ran out of whatever it is they ran out of. What was supposed to be in the bag is no longer in the bag, at least one item. We don't know how many. That's just an oops, okay? I'll read exactly what it says. It says, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. Okay. But don't worry. We're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. Okay, I'm glad that they're sure. You do get a booklet saying what all the products are. The only thing I don't like about this subscription is that it doesn't tell you how big a full size is. Like, you know, 50 mils, 3 ounces. It doesn't say that. It just gives you the price for the full size, but we don't know how big the full size is. So normally it will tell you that this bag is worth $52.22, if you can see that right there. Okay. So they're telling me that everything in here, if you were to divide it, you know, and then add it all up, it will equal that. Okay. You also do get in this subscription a little card. It comes here, usually $5, $10, with a little code on the bottom, and you can use this towards a purchase at Macy's. I like to do it when there's like a sale or something, if I'm looking for a specific item, you know. But is there a theme? Colorama. So that is our theme. So I'm liking that. Okay, cool. So let's do the first thing because that's outside of the bag. And this is, let me find it. Okay, so this is Tony Moly. Now, guys, I do like Tony Moly. This is I'm Lavender, but I don't like lavender. Not at all. Can't stomach the smell at all. So this will definitely go in a giveaway. This is I Am Hemp, Tony Moly I Am Hemp Sheet Mask. 20 minutes is all you need to replenish dull, tired skin back to its natural glory. Cannabis sativa seed extract soothes and calms while natural ingredients soak into your skin for an ultra hydrating glow, valued at $3. Okay, somebody will be getting that in their goodie box or whatever. Normally you will get things either stuffed in or by itself, looking like this. It comes in a little hot pink tamale, which I think is also cute. The first thing I see here is Clarins. Now I do like Clarins. This is Extra Firming Energy Glow Plus Complex. What is it though? Oh, it's a day cream. Radiance boosting wrinkle control day cream, all skin types. So there's a little box right there. It's very cute. Is it full? Oh no, Macy's. I'm telling you. I mean, this is a really tiny sample, guys. Like, okay, it is exactly as big as my finger, my pinky right there, if you can see, okay? But it's only filled up to right here. I can see it through the light. See, when you hold the things up through the light, you can absolutely see. So yeah, it's not filled all the way. It's only right down to here, actually. Yep, right there. So you got that much to try. I mean, hey, right? Samples are samples. And this is, okay. Again, I can't tell you the retail value of this, but I can tell you the full size, which I don't know how big the full size is. $88 is the full size. Just saying. I would imagine it's probably an ounce. We do get fragrances, okay? And usually we get a man and a woman. So we do have two. Let's go ahead and knock them out the park. Carolina Herrera, Very Good Girl. Which one is that? Right here. That's this one. And when you open it up, we do have a little sample size thingy-majiggy in there. Always nice to try it out. I have a gajillion of these guys. So, you know, you're not supposed to send them in the mail, so I would never do that. So don't be surprised if you don't get them, okay? Just saying. Let's see. What is this? It says, for those moments when you're feeling hot. Ooh, that's me. It really is right now. Okay. Reach for your Carolina Herrera's newest scent with notes of playful, mischievous red currant and seductive heart of rose. I don't think I would like it, though. I don't like rose. This floral fragrance is a must-have. Okay, so, oh, wait. Now, this one does tell you the 2.7 ounce is $132. Okay, so that's like really the only thing that I see. Yeah, that's the only one I see. Gives you the full size. And then we have the boy version, which is Bad Boy. Okay, they kind of go together. Good girl, bad boy. Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy, La Perfume, de Perfume, whatever. Modern and confident, yet bold and relaxed. Bad Boy brings a duality of spicy and woodsy notes to keep him feeling down to earth, but ready to tackle anything coming his way. 3.4 ounces is $108. So there you go. Okay. So we do have Bare Minerals, Mineralist Gloss Balm. Yep, this one. So that's not the one. Oh, this is cute. It is very heavy. Okay, so there you have it. And if that's a shade, that's cute. Okay, so this is like a gloss, and it is in the shade Sincerity. Okay, I kind of like Bare Minerals. I mean, I don't know. They're just... Oh! No. No, that's not the color that they show on the back. That's not the color they show there. Does that look like this? Okay. Does that look like the same color, or am I just crazy? That does not look like the same color, right? You know, maybe. Okay. I don't know. But it is cute. And there is quite a bit in there because, you see, like, this is all product. And I'm not going to open that, guys, because... yeah, you know, I got a lot of lip oils and stuff, and I can pass this along. There will be a giveaway as well in my freebies video. And guys, it is taking me forever to edit that. It's like almost 2 hours long. I didn't realize it was that long when I was unboxing stuff. And I was unboxing. I mean, I talked a little bit through it as I was telling you what to do about freebies, but yeah, it was a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the next thing I do see here is Mineral Fusion Nail Lacquer. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh. Well, I don't understand. Everything is here. Wait, what am I missing? Hold, please. So this is the thing they replaced, because on here it says, it's still the same mask. It just says, if you notice right here, it says calming. This one says hydrating, right? So this is I'm lavender, but you would think lavender is calming. I'm a bit confused, but okay. Comment down below if that makes any sense. I don't know. But okay. Am I the only one that's confused? God, please no. I hope not. Anyway, okay. This is Mineral Fusion Sea Salt Nail Polish. Okay, I've never heard of that before. And who is this from? Mineral Fusion. Duh, Stephanie. Since the only chip in your life should come from the grocery store. Potato chips, I get it. Mineral Fusion created a chip-proof, high-performance nail polish. Well, should I try this and be... This is not really my shade, though. But I should just test it out. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. High-performance nail polish that's as seamlessly to apply as it is to wear. It's cruelty-free and vegan, very likely to be complimented every single day. Okay. This is $8.99. So they do this... I'm assuming that's a full size. Okay. So there you have that. And the last thing, besides the bag, is this. This is Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. What? Remember good... Oh, no. Okay, listen. This is cool. Remember good moods? Imagine that. But for your lips. Okay. Transparent pigment blends with the natural tone of your lips to create a hue completely unique to you. Boy, I'm dying to see what this does for me. Yeah, I am. Should I put it on? Like, should I? I don't want to waste it, though. See, I feel like I'm going to waste something if I'm not going to keep using it. And I would rather just, like, I'll turn it up and show y'all, as you can see there. But it's black honey. Doesn't have any smell. Okay, so anyway, it just says, the transparent pigment blends with the natural tone of your lips to create a hue completely unique to you. It's like a custom color without having to put in the work. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So the full size, and this is definitely not a full size, I don't think, is $20. So, all right. We do have the bag. I like, of course I'm going to like the bag. It's purple, but look at that. It's cool. Oh my gosh, it kind of matches mine a little bit. Kind of, sort of. That green. A little bit with the yellow and the green. Yeah, it does. Oh my God, it does, right? Guys, I swear I didn't plan that. I swear. I had no idea. I swear to you, you saw me open a box, right? Okay, so I like the bag, and it's got that gorgeous purple in there, and it's very roomy. It's very roomy. So let's recap. We do have the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey, which is like the mood. Let me take these off. No, I need to read, sorry. The mood ring of lipsticks, or bombs anyway. We do have the two Carolina Herrera fragrances, one for him, one for her. We also have the Clarins Radiance Boosting Wrinkle Control Day Cream right there. We do have the nail polish, which is chip-proof, so they claim. Sorry, I look like Granny. And then we have the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Sincerity. And that's the one that's a little dark. I don't know. Probably in a giveaway. I think I will. And then, of course, we have this that's absolutely going in a giveaway because I cannot take lavender at all. Very intolerant to that. I think that's the right word, right? I hope I used the right word. Anyway, and that is the last item in the box. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. What do I think? I got excited when I saw Colorama. I really did, because I'm thinking, oh, okay, makeup. I mean, it's well-rounded. I got to say, it has just about everything. It has fragrance. It has a little bit of color, you know, as far as lipsticks are concerned. You do have a gloss. You do have a balm, which that's kind of like, I think, twice the same product almost. And then you know you have the a little bit of skincare, and then of course you have, like I said, the fragrance. So I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite bag, I don't think. I think I've seen other bags be better than this one, and I look oh so tired, guys. I so apologize. I didn't do anything, like I didn't sit here and like fix myself all up. On this channel we don't do that because yeah, this is real life. But yeah, let me know all the details down below. What do you think of this bag / box this month? Okay, I'd love to hear your opinions, your thoughts. Like I always say, if you are going through something and you just, you know, got something, you don't even know what's going on, you just feel out of whack, please talk about it, because you could very well, you know, take the power away from it, figure out what it is. Don't stuff it, okay? And if you are someone who is asked to listen, please say yes, because just sitting there listening could definitely help somebody. I know. I've done it, you know. And it helped me when I was just venting, you know. And like I always say, in this mixed up crazy world, and it's super crazy right now, guys, please, to all my family members out there in every part of the world, please stay safe. Till the next one, guys. See ya.